Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Amazon over-ear headphones and I'm going to show you where can you find your user manual. At first we have to open a web browser. And now we have to search for Amazon over-ear headphones Premium. These are the premium headphones, but if you don't have premium headphones, you just have to search for commute. Now we have to scroll down until we see the image of our Amazon commercial over-ear. Voice noise cancellation, Bluetooth, and 3 dots over here. Now we have to click website, and as you can see, these are your headphones. These are commuter headphones, these are premium headphones. Here you can find both of your user manuals. For us it is premium headphones. Now we have to scroll down almost at the bottom of our website. Now as we can see, product guides and documents. Here is safety information, user guide, user manual and warranty. For us it is user manual. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.